You got Max D. Here we go. With Max D. Oh!
And you broke it!
And we broke it. Did you see that? What we're going to have to do is make sure that was done in slow motion.
So, kids, today we are going to do a Monster Jam crash scene magnets. But first, we have to set the magnets, and one of the boxes are small, one of them are big. So let me show you all the monster trucks we have today, and we have 2 Legos. So we got robot order.
That's Shark Shock.
Shark Shock.
Make sure that you are on judgeszone.com right now.
We got Blue Thunder. We got
That's Bone Crusher.
Bone Crusher. We got Soldier Fortune.
And then we have 2 Legos. It looks like we got a Django and a Batmobile. And then we also got another cool green Lego car. So as you can see, Lucca is set up the table with the monster trucks, a couple of Lego cars. And now what we're gonna do is build our magnet tower. So Lucca.
So kids, you can see here that this red ninja, the feet, him, and these are his legs.
Awesome.
And this is the fire, and these are guns.
Sweet. All right, let's go set up our magnet tower.
So kids, these he can change into these pants, and he can change helmets. And you can see in the back of him, he has another face.
Awesome. All right, so we gotta build some magnet towers. Lucca wanted one big one, so we gotta build the base big.
Of the big one.
Of the big one.
And so kids, you can see a bad guy is driving this little thing. Whatever gets in his way will come up
over here.
which is a check, which brings you up. And then this will come down, and this big thing will come down and crush you.
Ooh, I do not want to be crushed, so please don't let that happen. All right, so we're.
And remember, this is a bad guy.
That's a bad guy? Okay. So we're building the building up right now. We're using our magnet tiles.
At the top of this, we're gonna add some triangles. We're gonna have a window here. So let me make the window. You'll have a mystery window. If I can put this in. I can't. Sorry.
No more mystery window.
But we are gonna build the other one with this. So then we can put the main window in.
Lucca, the question I have for you is this tower high enough or are we going taller?
Taller.
You want to go taller? Oh yeah, we're going taller. I like it. There's a window.
Okay.
Put the window right there. And then we have another window. We're going to do another window on this side. So we're building up a tower taller. And I will go as tall as Lucca wants us to go. So we got a lot of epic windows. And the key with the magnet tiles is you gotta have a nice strong base. So if you want to build it up high, you have a strong base. So that's why we use the big magnet tiles on the bottom. So that way we're able to go tall with our tower. So I'm gonna try to go one more layer taller to see if this works. Okay, so we're gonna keep on building.
So kids, we are done with all of our improvements. So if you look through one of these, if you look through the top window, there's the car.
So you can see the car is inside. And Lucca, as our goal is to crash the monster trucks into the building so the car comes out.
Yeah, and you're gonna need some Hot Wheels cars on the road.
Okay, so the Hot Wheel cars you can see are riding on the road. We have the bad guy locked in this smaller building, and then we have the good guy, and then Django's locked in the bigger building. Ninjago. So we are getting some more Hot Wheel cars.
And some of these are parked in here.
Okay, so they're parked in the parking spots.
I know. We're parked in the parking spots because they have to walk all the way over here to the beach.
Ah, they're going to the beach.
It's not a far walk because there's a little plane.
Okay, so Lucca, tell me, I am ready to crash monster trucks into the building. I want to do it right
and
now.
one of these cars accidentally drives into the ocean.
Oh no! You drove in the ocean.
And another one's just floating in the ocean.
The other one's floating? Alright, can we do the monster trucks now? Can we crash monster trucks into the building?
And another one got an accident.
Okay. So tell me what we're doing with these monster trucks, Lucca. What's the rules?
So you only have to do it smooth, and if anything breaks, you have to fix it. But it has to be the same last time.
Okay, show me. Why don't you take a monster truck and do it first?
So see all these signs for mystery. So if you rip the mystery open, you'll get something cool.
Awesome.
But you won't get this.
Okay, so
And if you try the plus sign, you'll get a math question.
awesome.
And this one too.
Oh yeah, division. Alright, I got Mohawk Warrior, so I can just go crash them into the building smoothly?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, your turn.
And I forgot to tell you, there's a monster truck machine.
Oh, sweet. I like monster truck surprises. Alright. There we go.
I broke him up.
You got Max C. Here we go. What's Max C? Oh!
And you broke it.
And we broke it. Did you see that? What we're gonna have to do is make sure that was done in slow motion. That should back down.
So kids,
again.
look what happened to this car. It literally got destroyed and one of the pieces flew all the way over here.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna
And Daddy has to fix that.
I have to fix that.